Guys, welcome back to BTC USD analysis with IFX Academy. Guys, last week we were buying this as long as the price traded above 117,244 and the price broke that support. After that we started selling this and we hit both of our bearish targets as mentioned before 1 week ago. So what are we going to do this week, guys? That is the question. So very simple, guys. As long as we are above below 117, 162, I keep on selling this, and my first target would be 112.09, 1110, guys. That's it. I wouldn't go lower than that, but if we wanted to, we could go till 108, and that's the bare minimum I think we will be seeing this week. We cannot go lower than this in my expectations and my calculations. And guys, if we break above this, we have our two targets laid out in front of us, which are 120 and 123, guys. My first target would be 128.21, and the next target would be, guys, 123.65. So wishing you guys the best of luck. Hope you guys make money selling this, and see you guys next week.